Welcome to another episode of our Japan travel series, and today we are continuing with our Kyoto adventure, and we have come to a hidden gem in Gion. It's known as the Shirakawa Lane.
And this particular lane has this stone carved path, and you have one side we have got the cherry blossom and the willow trees that are swaying on the Shirakawa canal, and the other side there are machiyas, traditional tea houses, and it's so pretty. We have also got the Tatsumi bridge, and it's kind of completely covered at the moment, fully jam packed with people.
There's so many people here, and especially on that particular bridge. It's a very famous spot here in Shirakawa Lane, and it's a best spot to take the pictures of the cherry blossom trees. And there are different colors of cherry blossom trees here. There is white, there is pink. Really beautiful place.
Really beautiful. Shirakawa Canal is located in the Gion district of Kyoto Prefecture, and during Sakura season it becomes one of the most photogenic streets in the city. Cherry trees line the narrow canal, small stone bridges cross over it, and traditional wooden buildings sit right along the water, giving the area a very classic Kyoto look. The street feels compact, so the blossoms frame the tea houses, walkways, and storefronts closely, and in a few spots, the branches lean over the canal and form a soft tunnel of pink and white. Shirakawa Canal also connects easily to the main streets of Gion, so you can explore the traditional area without needing to travel far. Sakura usually bloom here in late March to early April. Because this is also a well-known geisha area, it is important to be respectful. If you see a geiko or maiko, please do not take photos, do not stop in their path, and do not follow them. Keep to the side and allow them to pass freely. This helps protect their privacy and preserves the atmosphere of the district. Now that is the Tatsumi Bridge. See how many people are there on the bridge? Super crowded at the moment. Tatsumi Bridge is one of the most recognizable spots along Shirakawa Canal in the Gion district of Kyoto. The small stone bridge crosses a gentle bend in the canal, where cherry trees and weeping willow branches lean over the water. Traditional machiyas sit right along the edge, with wooden facades facing the canal, giving this area a very classic Kyoto streetscape. The bridge dates back to the Edo period, when this part of Gion developed around tea houses and geisha culture along the Shirakawa waterway. This section is preserved today as part of Kyoto's historic district, reflecting how canals, machiyas, and seasonal scenery shaped daily life here. During Sakura season, blossoms above the canal and the willows below create a layered spring view that feels unique to this part of the city. This is the Tatsumi Shrine, and it's pretty easy to miss, but it's right next to the Tatsumi Bridge, and this is where all the locals and geishas, maikos come and pray. And it's a beautiful but small shrine, and it has all the wishes written on all these wooden plaques all around. we have come to a place called Panel Cafe, and we've seen so many videos about this place, quite popular because the cafe is right next to the Shirakawa Canal, and we have got plain pancake here with the cream. I think this is ice cream, and they've given us maple syrup as well. And it's just walkable distance from the Hanamikoji Street or the Shirakawa Tatsumi Bridge as well. And we booked this particular cafe 1 month in advance, and there's a huge line waiting outside to get in and come into the cafe. But we booked it 1 month in advance. So there are so many cherry blossom street outside, and it's completely bloomed. There's Shirakawa Canal actually flowing here, and those are white cherry blossoms, so pretty. We got the terrace, and wow, so beautiful. Digging into that pancake with the cream and maple syrup. That just melts in the mouth. Oh my god. I'm gonna take a little bit of that ice cream, a little bit of that cream, and have another bite with the ice cream. That is one of the best pancakes I've ever had. So soft. The cream and the pancake is so like melt in the mouth kind of pancake. Wow. So tasty. I can just have the pancake by itself and still gonna be so soft and tasty. This place looks amazing at night, and this is how it looks.